Okay, people, listen up. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like magic. But instead of wizards, it's computers. They can learn and make decisions like us, only way faster. Imagine having a super fast brain that never gets tired. And guess what? AI is taking over manufacturing. It's revolutionizing the way we build and create. Don't worry, it's a good thing. This change is bringing about a new era of efficiency and innovation. It means factories can make stuff better, cheaper, and faster than ever before. Imagine products being made with precision and speed. Think of it like this. AI is like having a million tiny helpers in the factory. Each one is designed to perform specific tasks with incredible accuracy. They can spot problems we might miss, work around the clock without breaks, jealous, and even learn how to do things better over time. It's like having a tireless team that keeps improving. It's like having a team of superpowered interns who actually know what they're doing. They assist us in ways we never thought possible. Now you might be thinking, Mindy, are robots going to steal my job? It's a common concern, but let's dive deeper. Relax. AI is here to help us, not replace us. It's about collaboration and enhancing our capabilities. It's about making our jobs easier and letting us focus on the important stuff. With AI handling the repetitive tasks, we can concentrate on creativity and problem solving. Remember those old factories in black and white movies? Dark, dangerous, and depressing. They were filled with smoke, loud noises, and hazardous conditions that made working there a nightmare. Well, AI is changing all that. Smart factories are popping up everywhere, and they're nothing like those gloomy old places. These new factories are bright, clean, and highly efficient. AI can monitor every single thing happening in a factory, from how much energy is being used to whether a machine needs a tune-up. It can even predict when equipment might fail, preventing costly downtime. It's like having a million eyes on the factory floor, making sure everything runs smoothly. These AI systems can analyze data in real time, ensuring optimal performance. What does this mean for workers? Safer workplaces, for one. With AI constantly monitoring conditions, potential risks are identified and mitigated quickly. AI can spot potential hazards before they cause accidents. This proactive approach significantly reduces the likelihood of injuries. Plus, it frees up human workers from boring, repetitive tasks. Instead of doing monotonous work, employees can focus on more engaging and creative activities. No one wants to spend their day tightening the same bolt over and over, right? With AI and automation, workers can take on roles that require problem-solving and innovation. Let's be real, we all make mistakes. It's part of being human. But in manufacturing,